Hey guys, it's Bill Moscas, MarineMax Stuart. I want to show you this awesome Aquila 32 catamaran with a cabin and a separate head and plenty of space to entertain. Let's hop aboard. All right, starting from my back, I'll give you two of my favorite features. First, twin 300s, plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque, full electric steering actuators. There is electric system all the way from the helm all the way to the back. And third, where I'm standing, there is a huge ladder. It's one piece. It goes all the way out about 6 steps and then flips over. It's not telescopic, it's fixed, but it's a huge ladder. It gives you armrests, places to put your arms and pull yourself up. Excellent for diving, excellent for every occasion basically. Coming further through, you have the door that closes and secures this area for the kids or pets that are on board. Sitting for 4 to 6 people back here. The backrests flip around, making sun pads. Then look at this area. You can have another 8 people basically all around the table, sitting, having fun. The backrest over there flips around and makes it a forward-facing seat for a passenger with a bolster. And then this is a twin seat. At least 2 people can enjoy this seat while driving the boat. Bolster system with stainless steel hardware. You have your joystick, throttle binnacles, your VHF, all your basic switching, space for a second screen if you wish, and your stereo right in front of it with a glove compartment. On the port side, you have another one of my favorites. You have your grill right over here, huge sink right next to it, and a cutting board that actually buttons right over here. It goes over here over the sink to expand your handling area basically while you're cooking. Further forward, you have the filler cushion that we have it right over here. It buttons right in the middle, makes a huge sun pad. You have 2 people lounger over on the port side and single person lounger on the starboard side with adjoining possible seating over here on the front. Storage, anchor locker, cup holders and handles both sides, and more storage over the other side. 2 forward facing cleats make it easy to tie up the bow. And then going into the cabin and the head area, you have the very high and comfortable head area right over here. 4 steps down, and then plenty of light in here, and your sink right over there at the corner. And then coming over the port side, we have the cabin. This slides back and gives you the view of the spacious 2-person cabin. Again, natural light from the top and the sides. This concludes our short presentation of the Aquila 32. I'm Bill Moscas in MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Would love to answer all your questions. Please give me a call at 203-808-5088. Thank you very much for watching.